so they have added another charge that they're hitting Johnny Somali with in South Korea, and it's carried the total of years that he could face in prison up to 31 years if he's convicted of all of these charges. He's probably not going to get 31 years, okay? But he is facing a lot of time. I find it increasingly more difficult, and at this point, I'm being too lenient. He is going to spend some time in South Korean prison, okay? That's like a fact now. It's just a matter of how much time. So I'm going to play you a video right now that's going to break down in detail, what the charges are and what he's facing.
So let's talk about the new crime, shall we? So here is what we have. Brand new, as of today, we have today, May 8th, 2025, Ramzi Khalid Ismail has been officially charged with a second count. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, not one, but 2 counts of the violation of the Special Act on Sexual Crimes for the distribution of false video deepfakes. This effectively doubles his maximum possible criminal penalty for deepfakes. There are now 2 charges. Each charge has a max of 10.5 years. Thus, the max penalty now he faces is 21 years in prison just for deepfakes. And then, because we have other charges, remember, we've got other charges, that's another 10 years stacked on. So he's looking at up to 31 years. That's the maximum amount now. 31 years in Korean prison is the new maximum that the court can assign him. Yes, 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 yes.
So as you can see, my boy Johnny Somali, he's in a bit of a pickle, and they're using all sorts of tactics on him. Like, they're dropping the charges right before trial. He has a trial coming up on, I think, March the 16th or May the 16th or whatever. And I want to show you guys a clip, because in another interview that Johnny Somali just did on one of these streaming platforms, he's recorded admitting that all the things he's done, all the things he was recorded doing, it might not have been worth it to do it, because now it's not really paying dividend.
Okay, but the clips I seen of you, I'm not gonna lie, looked insane. Like, they going up to you, pressing you. Bad. Nah, they were that bad. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. That shit was bad. Like, it was like literally doing karate moves on you, bro. Like, you're a target in Japan.
And it's some of the most viral clips on Twitter on streaming in the last 2 years.
But my question is it worth it? Like, is the virality worth it? Like getting banned.
It was worth it when I was still on Kick. Now it's not worth it.
Exactly. No, exactly what I'm saying. Like, in the long run, do you think that shit is worth it?
At this point, no.
I think eventually they kicked him out of that interview. He was booted. I didn't watch the entire interview, but you could see that, even though he's still Johnny Somali, he's like at least cognizant of the fact that, a lot of the things that he did, what might not have necessarily been worth it, right? Now that he apparently, or maybe Hank or someone in his group is realizing the severity of the situation might be a bit more than they were originally thinking it to be. So they've gone and gotten a proper lawyer. They have a paid lawyer. Before, they were being represented by a public defendant, but now they're getting a private lawyer because they're probably realizing that he's in a bit of a pickle. This is a serious situation.
Today, with another breaking update, Somali is out a lawyer, and he has gained a very pissed off victim. The public defender has been removed from the case. Once again, the public defender has been removed from the case. He has lost a lawyer. Yesterday, we were debating how they were going to handle it, and it was unclear. That today has been clarified. His lawyer, his private lawyer, will be handling all of it. This is legally likely because if you have a private lawyer, you are no longer qualified for a public defender. So if you have money to pay for an attorney, the state should not be paying for your attorney.
All right, so those are some of the latest updates on Mr. Johnny Somali across there in South Korea. Okay, all the kids watching this video, I hope you learn from this. If you want to be a streamer or YouTuber or something, think very carefully about how you present yourself out to the world and how you show yourselves. Subscribe to Mr. Fiesta 24/7. We make fun, entertaining videos about trending topics. Happy Mother's Day, folks.